Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. So we return again in a new video, which is how to install a Windows on PC by flash disk. And the first thing you will do is to go to this website. Is called refuse.io. This is the language. You can choose the language here. For me, I will choose English language. Okay, now we scroll till we found the kind of my Windows. For me it is Windows 64. Okay, and there is Windows 86. For me I will choose one of those. Okay, for me I will choose Windows 86. Okay, now I did download this Windows, and before this I will go to here we can find the old version and the new version, and for me I will choose the new version. Okay, this is the flash disk that we have downloaded with the web in the website, of course. Now we remove it. Now we put the memory disk or the flash disk on the PC, and we go to the flash disk, and we see, and we format it at all. Okay, we delete everything. Now is officially deleted. Okay, now we wait a little bit till he dealt the flash disk memory. Okay, we will wait. So basically this is the real or the good thing to install Windows. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. Now it is empty, like you see. Now we go to the disk, and we open what we have been downloaded. Okay, so basically from here we see the main theme of this program that we have been downloading. To install directly Windows, we select and we choose the file of the disk memory or the flash disk. Okay, we see. Okay, I'm sorry. So basically we go here to select and we download. Okay, now we will wait a little bit. We will choose where we're gonna go. So we go and select download. Okay, we did choose the thing, and we go to ISO, and we again we chose this one. Okay, and we go here, we chose free those. Okay, now we chose 64 kilobytes, and then we will go to the PC, and we do property and to see how much is have the capacity. Of course it is the same thing, and this way you will install Windows officially in any PC you want. I hope you enjoyed with this method and these steps. Don't forget before this to click on start. Okay, now it is officially installing here. Okay, thank you so much, and this is how to burn a Windows to install on PC. And don't forget to follow and subscribe the channel, and thank you so much, and take care. Peace.